Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Well, I'm in Abuyog, guys, in Leyte, southern Leyte. Well, this is actually the middle of Leyte. I don't think they call it southern Leyte anymore. I left Liloan this morning. Liloan, yes. Look where I am. This was about 20 US a night. I got the minibus up from Liloan, and when we got here I said, oh, just drop me at a hotel. This is where they dropped me. Very nice, lovely room. I'm happy. I'm going to go and have a cup of coffee now, find something to eat because I haven't had any breakfast, and then we'll go and have a bit of an explore. So guys, this is my hotel there, really nice. It was about 30 US a night, which is pretty expensive. And I've seen these fast foods all over Philippines, and I've avoided it because it's fast food, but it was absolutely delicious. Now I'm told there's a really nice waterfall up here, and I've organised with this guy to take me there and back for 200. So let's go and have a look. And guys, this is Eddie, my driver. He's going to take me up there, bring me back. Let's go and see what everyone's talking about. Hey guys! Hey guys! And Eddie's just here. I just made him stop because I wanted to get a bit of film of this. Look where I am. Just incredible. I love Leyte. This is probably the most beautiful place I've ever been in my life so far. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so a local just told us it's an hour hike into the waterfall, and you have to do it with an armed guard because that's where all the bad people stay. So we're not going to the waterfall, guys. We're just going to go and see another part of the river. Already making him stop all the time. Look where I am, guys. Okay. Now the waterfalls are up in the hills here, and it's about an hour's hike in there, I've just been told by a local, but it's too dangerous for Westerners to be hiking in there on their own. There's a few not so nice people that camp in there, hide out in there, and yeah, it's really quite easy. And this guy, he was going to make no profit off me at all. He was just warning me not to walk in there by myself. And yeah, but you can get guides pretty easy. They're armed guides, will make sure you're safe. But yeah, we're just going to go and drive off into the river. But look where I am, guys. Unbelievable. So I'd already paid Eddie to take me to the waterfall. He didn't know. That's why we had to stop and talk to a local, because he didn't know. And I asked the local, what's your favourite part of the river? And he said here. Look where I am, guys. And I'm not sure whether the coconuts are plantation or whether they're natural here, but they're all over Leyte. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh, look, I didn't see this. Look at that. Look how clear that water is. Unbelievable. Now, don't quote me on this, guys, but the more I think about what that local said, I think maybe it could be drug kitchens that he was talking about out here, but don't quote me. I'm not 100% sure, but it won't be hard to find a local that'll take you up there if you want to see it. But guys, just riding around here, look at this, the guy down there collecting shellfish. Oh, there's two people collecting shellfish. Unbelievable. Thank you, Eddie. I want to show you these little bikes. These guys buy these little 125s that are a bit flapped out anyway, and then they set up these frames where 5 or 6 people can sit on them, and these poor bikes go through a lot of life. But we're going to have a look at something else. I wanted me to see here, guys, this bridge is totally gone. People still cross this little bridge on motorbikes to get across. You see the village up in the distance here. There would have been a lot of water come down through here in the typhoon, and I'm guessing that's when this bridge went. Unbelievable, guys. Eddie's just gone for a bit of a wander up the road. Hello!
Are you taking picture?
These workers, guys, and this must be your daughter. Is that your daughter?
Yeah.
And these guys, they're working on the bridge, I think. And they just invited me down to have a look here. Look how clear, beautiful this water is, guys.
Yes, beautiful water. It's nice to swim.
It is beautiful. Guys, I like Leyte. Everyone's so happy. Look at the smile on this guy's face. Everyone in Leyte has this big smile on their face. Look at everyone here. And you can hear how much this bike's struggling, guys. We just picked up one passenger, but I've seen bikes all over the Philippines, but I just saw one there that had 2 or 3 people sitting where I'm sitting, 4 in the back, 1 sitting here. So yeah, these poor little bikes take a lot of a beating in their lives. Have a little friend sharing nicely. Say hello. Hello. Morning world. Hotel here. Bus is right here waiting for me to go. Another 10 minutes they're going to leave. I'll show you in a minute. I'll give you a sticker and you'll be able to subscribe. Okay, and maybe we put a sticker on the bus. Okay. Well guys, I made it to Tacloban. My hotel organised a motorbike for me. So I'm just sitting at the bus terminal, which is where the motorbike hire is, which is a good idea. Hopefully I've got the bike for 2 days. Hopefully I'll have my visa extension by then and I can just ride straight here and drop the bike off. Get on a bus and continue our journey. Yeehaw! I have no idea what this building is, but it does look important. And it's something to do with the army, I think, because they've got all these soldiers up here, the pillars there, girls dancing out the front. This must be some sort of school, I think. And, beautiful guys, but they've got the old cannons here, so it's something to do with the Spanish, I'm sure. Oh no, they look more American with his glasses on there, MacArthur or something. So this blue and white building, pretty easy to find with Google Maps. This is the Bureau of Immigration, and I'm going to head in, extend my visa. Pretty sure I won't be able to have the camera out in there, but I'll let you know at the end how easy it is. From other YouTubers I've watched, it is fairly easy, so let's hope they're right.
Take me a one picture.
No, that's video. It's videoing now, so say hello. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that was by far the easiest extension I've ever done. And it took 10 minutes. Everyone's so friendly and happy. I'm glad I came to Tacloban. It might have been different in other places. I heard people having problems in Cebu and things, but everyone here, they were just so happy, all trying to help, everyone doing their bit, and I was out of there in 10 minutes and about 3,000 pesos, which is maybe $50 US. And straight across the road from the immigration. Hey guys, in fact you can see immigration up there, the blue and white building. This is it, guys. This is the next island I think I'm going to over there. There's a bridge that crosses over to there. I'll be heading there on Friday. Continue my adventure. Now my hotel's back that way, but I think I'm going to go and explore. Everyone wants to be on YouTube. Well, the bike kept stalling in traffic, so I gave it back to my hotel and told them to get me another one. So I thought I'd go for a walk while I waited. Oh my god, it's hot, guys. It's so hot. We'll have a wander anyway. The bike, it's going to take him a while to get another bike there. In fact, I think he's only got 2, and I chose what he said was the good one. Well, this is really sad, guys. I'll show you here properly tomorrow, but this is the Heritage Museum. All the stained glass at the top smashed, and we look here, this building here, all the roofs caving in. It's all mouldy, but that's really hard to avoid in these tropical climates. There's a big talent show going on in here, TV cameras and everything. And when I walked past before, it was terrible, but these girls are really quite good. Oh, now they're finished. Yeah, no, and everyone's screaming. Listen. So it's a really big talent show, obviously. Well, Janet's going to be happy. I just booked in for another tattoo. 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's a bit hard to walk past a tattoo shop when you can get something really nice for $30 or $40. I was just riding around looking for some food. Look what I found. Oops, sorry. a bit weird after being in so many Muslim countries for so long. And I just stopped in the Jollibee next to my hotel and I got swamped. I must have given away 20 stickers. I just put my clothes into the laundry. About $4 for all my clothes. Amazing, guys. Fluffed, folded, ironed. Picked that up this afternoon. But in another, what time is it? In another half an hour I go and get tattooed. And guys, this is Gerald. This is his tattoo shop. It's Rolled Tattoo from Gerald. I'll put a link in the description. I'll show you the shop from the front once my tattoo's done. He tattooed for 13 hours yesterday, so he's not doing me. He's getting one of his artists in to do me. And I'm still not sure what we're getting. Maybe a compass. And Gerald decided after all that he was going to do it because we sat here talking for a while. This is the design I'm getting here. And I'll film a bit while it's happening. Guys, the finished product. I like it. And this is Roll's shop here. It's upstairs, just near here. The Metro shopping centre is right there and my hotel's straight through here, so it's really easy to find. Now I've got to go and find an ATM that accepts foreign cards. It's a bit hard in Philippines, I've found. This is the Shrine of St. Nino, which I'm guessing from my Spanish is the Shrine of the Baby Jesus, maybe. I don't know. All I know, what an amazing building. You can see it for miles and miles. It goes back maybe 50 metres, so this is just the front. Very, very impressive building. And this is the Market Street, very easy to find in the middle of town. All sorts of stuff here, and guys, it just smells amazing. I'm still full from breakfast, but it smells incredible. Oh guys, look at this. This is the waterfront, middle of town. These little boats here are like buses taking people up and down to the little villages along the river. Now, my plan was to show you around all day, but this bit of sun that we've had since I left the tattoo shop is the first bit of sun all day. It's been raining all day. It's starting to rain again, so I'm going to go back to my hotel and do some editing. If it clears up again, I'll go out again, but guys, I can't see it happening. But look at this, just amazing. Well, got a bit of a break in the rain, coming out to get some food. But guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can, and we'll see you in the next one.